Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Gmail account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, what you want to do is head over to Google and sign in to that Gmail account that you want to delete. So I'm signed into a Gmail account I want to delete. And then from here in Google, type in delete Gmail account. And then you want to go to Google Help here where it says delete your Google account. You can have a read here exactly how to do it, but I'll show you exactly how. So you want to go to step 3, delete your account. So it says here, go to data and privacy section of your Google account. So open up a new tab, and then you want to click on more options here, and then under more options you've got make a plan for your digital legacy, delete your Google account, delete your entire account and data. So I'm going to click on delete your entire account and data, which means Gmail as well will be deleted. So you can download your data. You can download your data before deleting your account. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do that now. And then this is all the content that will be deleted. So 1,800 conversation will be deleted and all that stuff. And then you want to click these two boxes and then click on delete account, like so. And there you go, your Google account and all its data has been deleted. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.